What is up, everybody? It's your boy Simon Khalil coming back at you from the studio. I appreciate you guys joining me for another one. I saw this Sony rumor that doesn't make sense to me. Well, let's talk about it. So I saw on Sony rumors that Sony's releasing a new 50mm 1.4. Now that's great, and I'm all for gear being updated and so on and so forth, but I'm a little confused on why this is actually releasing, as I've made many videos about my 50 1.2. This seems weird that they're coming out with this lens to me. Now, drop your comments below if it makes sense to you, but they're releasing a 50 1.4 GM, which doesn't have a lower price point. I believe I did the math, and I believe the European price right now is $1,850, which converts to just under $2,000 in the US. And the 50 1.2 that came out in March of 2021, by the way, is I believe $2,100 and $1,998 right now on B&H. So I'm very confused on why they're releasing this lens. They both don't have image stabilization. They both have 11 aperture blades, which, to be honest, the look of this lens is probably the best in the market. But I'm a little confused on why they're releasing this lens. It only makes sense to me if they release this lens at a lower price point, which they're not. It's really not that much cheaper than the 1.2. So why are they releasing this lens? What's the point? And give me your thoughts down below. I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. It's a short one for today. Drop your comments below and let me know what you think. If you're not already, if you like videos like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe so you keep up to date with the videos I'm releasing. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.